Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Sanrio Gacha Machine in Heartopia for the Heartopia X Sanrio event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the Sanrio Gacha Machine I have just claimed for free. If you want to claim it, you need to go to this menu. Okay, and then you will open the Sanrio Characters Wonderland event, and you're going to select this event, Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine. Okay, then you're going to go to Gacha. Okay, and you're going to find the Gacha Machine. Just follow the guide. And here we are. You'll find three Sanrio Characters Gacha Machines, and you can tap on this icon to claim your Gacha Machine. But I've already clicked on this menu, so now I can't use the Gacha Machine. Okay, time for a break now. And okay guys, that's how you can claim the Sanrio Characters Gacha Machine in Heartopia X Sanrio Characters event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!